In today's episode, we're going to set up custom views for different users. We can accomplish that by using built-in functionality called row-level security. Now, we're going to take a look at different views. Currently, we have views for 3 out of 4 managers. Let's try and add a new role. We can copy the filter option based on previously created role. As you can see here, you can set up a role for any column that can be found in the dataset. Remaining manager. The one for whom we don't have a role set up is Emma Thompson. We can copy her name and paste it in the role creation view. Let's see if it works. As you can see, the role works correctly. We view it as Emma and we get data only for ourselves. Now let's create a new role, one for the entire region, Europe for example. Let's see what data we get. And as you can see, now we have only data for Europe region. In order for our data and row-level security to be seen, it needs to be on the workspace, so we'll publish the report. We'll also need to assign people to their respective roles directly on the workspace in the Power BI service. As you can see, our newly defined roles popped up. Now we need to assign business emails to the respective viewing role. If someone of that emails tries to view our report, only the data that they be assigned would be visible. Thanks for watching.